I'll be right back. I just got informed that somebody else is going to be on set. I wonder who it is and when they're going to be here. It's a good thing that I brought extra ingredients because I think she's here. We'll be right back. Today we're going to be making 2 Easter no-bake treats, and I'm so excited to make this with my best friend Adeline. She is so excited to do it too. She's been waiting forever to be on my channel. We're so excited to do this. The first treat that we're going to be making is an Easter-themed dirt cup. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. It's super easy and really fun to do for anyone. I really hope you guys try this because it's going to be so much fun for us to make. The ingredients that you guys will be needing today are Cool Whip. We're going to be using Warhead's Chewy Bunnies, and M&M eggs. We're also going to be using these in our next treat, so if you guys are going to be making both treats today, I would prefer you guys to save some of these.
Next we have 2 types of
dyes, whichever ones that you guys prefer.
Then we have some Oreos
that we get to smash later, so if you guys are doing this, don't forget to smash that like button. We're going to be doing chocolate mousse. It kind of looks like pudding right now, but it's mousse, and don't get those 2 things confused.
Time to smash some cookies.
Adeline, what are you doing? I thought you were supposed to be doing the video with me, not
No, it's my video now.
Adeline!
It's my video.
Guys, don't forget to hit that like button.
No. No, it's a mania. Next, you're going to want to take as many scoops as you want, and then you're going to put any color of food dye you want and stir it until it looks like you want.
Don't do regular dye. Remember to do food coloring.
So you don't die. Be puffy. Is that enough?
Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna start dyeing mine.
See.
That's a lot of dye, Adeline.
I did 2 drops. It's fine. Messed in your bowls.
Our colors turned out so pretty. I think they look exactly like Easter colors. I love them.
Same.
Now it's time to layer. First, we're going to do our Oreo cookie crumbles. Next, we're going to do our Cool Whip. Then you're going to do your chocolate mousse. Chocolate mousse is one of my favorite chocolates.
Delicious. Never tried them.
That's a lot of chocolate mousse. Then I'm gonna do my Oreo crumbles again.
See. Ow.
It looks so good. The finishing touches! We're going to be adding Easter bunnies and little chocolate M&M eggs like I said in the beginning. Let's start adding our toppings. Time to taste test. That's so good, but I feel like I'm missing somebody from my crew. I'm gonna call down my brother. I'll be right back. Xander! What's taking him so long? Xander, get down here.
Okay, chill out.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
what are we doing now?
Taste test it.
Try it.
Is it good?
Whoa.
Wait, are we rolling?
Are we?
Oh, you guys, stay tuned
tuned
for the next treat. It's gonna be so good. Next, we're going to be making an edible bird's nest. Not the real one, but an edible one. Make sure that you're not going outside and grabbing a real one.
Let's get to it. For our ingredients, you will need some steamy sweet chocolate chips. Any type of candy that you would like. We're using chocolate M&Ms. Then you're going to need some peanut butter.
We're also going to be using white chocolate chips or butterscotch chocolate chips, a half a cup, and chow mein noodles. Next, we're going to melt our chips and peanut butter, half a cup each, in the microwave. Don't forget to have adult supervision and make sure that the bowl is microwave safe. You're going to put it in there for 30-second increments, and then once you take it out, every time you're going to stir it until it's all fully melted. Ding dong! Yay! This step, you're going to have to listen very well, and it's okay if you need to replay the video from the step. We're going to be pouring in our chow mein noodles, and then we're going to be mixing it up in the chocolate. We're using 2 cups of chow mein noodles, but we're going to use it in tiny increments. Then we're going to scoop it up with our spoons in little tiny bowls, and then we're going to put it down on our parchment paper and let it settle. Okay.
Well,
I hope we made enough chocolate. Yeah.
oh my. After you're done stirring all your mixture together, you're going to start by putting little blobs on your paper.
Well, that's not little.
It's not.
Ew! Oh no. My bird's nest does not look like a bird's nest.
It's fine. All of them are different. That's another bird's nest.
I'm gonna add some to that one that I just dropped. That wasn't much. Adeline, I dare you to try it.
I'll try it with you, fine.
That's really good. That's weird, but it's good.
Next, you're going to add little eggs from before and put them onto your little bird's nest.
Oh, they look so cute. Adeline, there's a bunny in the room.
What?
Look,
Where?
it's on. You didn't actually think the Easter bunny was in the room, did you?
You're not in it.
The last step is to let it harden. Now, we're not going to taste test this because it takes around an hour for it to dry, and my friend is not going to be here. So I'm really sorry if you guys really wanted to see us taste test it, but not today. But if you guys make it, then you guys can totally taste test it. I hope you love these 2 really easy Easter fun desserts. Bye!
Bye.